Greetings, Earthlings, and happy Star Wars Day. My mom and I are back to you with more Doorables unboxing for a very special Star Wars Day excursion. So let's get started. Tell everyone about our Star Wars surprise.
So, may the 4th be with you. You. For those of you who have watched
Spaceballs.
Spaceballs. We are going to open our Death Stars, our final 2. Sadly, we had opened 2 before, but...
TikTok derped and we lost the footage.
So you can see the characters we have so far. We have so far C-3PO. And
we have Leia as a hologram. We have Lando Calrissian.
Yeah.
We have Sabine, Jabba the Hutt, Luke Skywalker. We have the Mandalorian, and we have Hera.
That is Hera.
Yes. So we now have 2 more to open. Hopefully we don't get any dupes. Let's get Mom to start opening the balls.
Yes. So let's start opening the Death Stars.
Ooh.
And may the 4th be with you.
You already said that. Okay.
Bye.
Please hold. All right, Mama.
We're ready to eat.
There's all 4. Mom, do you want a second paper so you don't have to flip?
I can just use this one.
Okay, perfect.
So
we have 4 here, and then we have another 4 that we are also going to do.
correct. So, and each Death Star comes with 4.
Yes, so Mom, start guessing. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I think this is Rey because it feels like someone holding a lightsaber.
She's not holding a lightsaber, though.
Isn't that a lightsaber?
No.
What is that?
That's like her staff that she has. She doesn't get the lightsaber till later.
Am I correct? I am correct, and I don't think we have Rey.
We do not have Rey yet, so this is a new one, which means already that one of our kits is not a 100% duplicate, which is great.
Yes, that is
So, Mom,
great.
pick your next one.
The next one. Let's figure it out.
All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I think this is Jabba the Hutt.
Which, if that is Jabba, it would be a dupe.
And I'm sorry I gotta use my teeth. No, it is not.
Oh, good.
No, it's not. It's BB-8.
Oh, yay! That's exciting. That's
Yes,
another new
I love
one. Let's show it to
BB-8.
everyone.
And BB-8 is an ultra rare.
Ooh.
Yes, Rey is a common.
Yes. So, Mom, start working on your next one.
I am-
All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I am guessing Yoda. So,
Is it Yoda?
Yoda or is it Grogu? Oh, Lordy. Okay, come on. It is
Yoda.
Help you, I will. Yes.
That was a very, very good Yoda impression. Okay, Mom, we got last one. We got one more, and then we got another ball still to do, okay? So you can start guessing. All right, Mom, who is it?
I'm going to guess a stormtrooper.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, we got Bo-Katan Kryze.
Bo-Katan Kryze.
Bo-Katan Kryze, very nice. So
Yes.
this set was not filled with any dupes. Mom, do you want to eat the last ball?
I will eat.
That's the empty one. Grab
That's
the
the
other
empty.
one.
Let's eat the last one. Ready, set.
Eat. All right, Mom, pick one. You've knocked over the seance. Let's get started.
I am guessing Darth Vader.
Okay, so you think Darth Vader? Okay. Is it Darth Vader?
Yeah, he's better.
Darth Father. Luke, I am your father.
Luke, I am your father.
You're struggling.
I am struggling. Oh, come on.
It is.
Yes.
Very nice.
Holding his red lightsaber.
Hee-hoo. Okay, so this last kit is not 100% dupes either already, which is good. Maybe we'll get straight in honor of Star Wars Day, no dupes, right?
That's right. That would be exciting.
All right, Mom, I'll let you keep guessing. Oh, and Darth Vader is a rare. All right, Mom, who are you guessing?
This could be the Mandalorian, but I'm actually not sure because a lot of them are kind of similar shapes. Oh, it is not.
Yay!
It is
Lando Calrissian.
Lando Calrissian.
He is a
Yeah.
dupe, so we are going to not put him in the dupe jar. We're going to hide him in my dad's office. So,
Don't tell anyone.
secrets. Okay. By the way, we like hiding him in his office. It's driving him bonkers. There's ones that he hasn't found for weeks. So, Mom, keep guessing that one. Who do you think it is, Mama?
I'm thinking a Wicket Warwick. I am right.
Yay!
Yes.
Yes.
They're cute.
They're so cute. I love how cute these are. And yes, by the way, I've discovered that the camera jumping is actually supposed to happen because it's switching from one camera to the next. So Mom is going to guess the last
I'm actually
one.
going to guess right now.
Oh, you're ready.
I am thinking this is Ray, which we already opened. This is the second one,
Okay.
so we shall see.
Is it Ray?
It is Ray, so Ray is a dupe.
But we will hide her
But Ray
in
is really
Dad's
cute.
office. Mwahaha. Let's get her really close so you can see her. There she is. All right, Mom. What are your thoughts on all the Star Wars ones that we opened up?
Star Wars ones are very cool. We know there's lots of you are Star Wars fans out there, so this is a fun thing to do, especially on May the 4th day.
May the 4th.
I know.
May the Schwartz be with you.
That's right. May the Schwartz be with
Yes.
you. No, I know it's May the 4th, but it's
Okay.
still May the 4th be with you.
All right.
May the 4th be with you.
Boop.
Bye.